No question of his intellect, his experience, so it's a good appointment from that perspective. I think that it's a good appointment from the confirmation process perspective. He's extremely well-spoken. He gave a very nice set of introductory remarks, talked about himself, his wife, his kids. He has a good story. I think he'll do well in the one-on-one meetings with senators that he's going to be doing over the next 6 to 8 weeks. And then we're just going to have to see how he performs on the Supreme Court. This is
now the second nominee to have clerked for Justice Kennedy. You have clerked for Kennedy yourself. How do you think this will affect the court?
Well, certainly their exposure to Kennedy's way of deciding cases.
Which is what?
Well, and you heard it in Brett Kavanaugh's statement. You keep an open mind. You listen to counsel. You make sure you read the briefs yourself. You don't rely on a clerk reading it and telling you what the brief said. And you decide cases then from that perspective. You start with an open mind. It's an important case, an unresolved issue. Let's hear what the parties have to say. I think simply starting from that point, instead of starting from I'm ideologically tied down, and so I'm going to view the case from an ideological perspective, I think that makes a huge difference in the direction that a court can take.
So do you think, for example, they would be less likely to overturn Kennedy decisions?
I think it will. Now, it doesn't mean that he won't overrule a decision that Kennedy has authored, but he's going to think really hard about it. He may not extend the law in an area that Kennedy is written in. So he might not extend gay rights. But to actually vote to overrule Kennedy's decision, I think he would have to think really long and hard about that, in part just out of respect for his former boss.
If Judge Kavanaugh does replace Justice Kennedy, how do you think that will change the court?
I do think it'll become more conservative. Justice Kennedy was more in the middle. Kavanaugh, at least by his history so far, is going to be more conservative, particularly on social issues, abortion, gay rights, affirmative action, some death penalty cases.